welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the water backpack with a straw, so you could drink the water directly from your backpack while you doing the hiking or walking around your campsite. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this. So if you do a lot of trail walking, you might want to go and then get one of this. If you don't like to hold your water bottle on your hand. Oh, so my wife actually purchased some more stuff, so I thought it was just only one backpack, but actually there are 3 items in here. This one is by Braley. Well, the backpack is kind of small. Here is the barcode number. The hydration pack. It's come with a 2-liter bladder. Okay, made in China. So right here is a 3M reflective, which is nice. Let me turn on the flash so you guys can see. Alright, as you can see, 3M reflective right here. And it says H2O. And there's also a hook right here. It's a buckle. And then there's a little thin padding right here. Little handle right here as well, the nylon handle. And then here's the instruction and warranty. So yeah, when you twist it, it says open or lock. And as you see, there's 3M reflective on the bar right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1 down here. It's an adjustable button right here. For the hook, it's a bungee cord, and then there's a pocket right here, mesh netting pocket. And then there's a key hook on the inside. So if guess the bottle is in here. Alright, so there's a Velcro right here. You need to open it up so you can take out this water pouch. And it says 2 liter. I don't know, it's kind of thin, so you gotta be careful. So it's a 1.5 liter, 2 liter up here. There's a handle right here. I'm not sure if you unhook it. Yeah, I don't want to take it all the way. I don't want to mess up the tube. So this is where you open the cap. And there's a rubber O-ring right here, or the silicone, the clear one. And then you just put the water in this pouch. Yeah, so be sure to hook the Velcro back on this plastic right here. After you fill the water, and that's it. So this one is the Musubi maker. It's a 2-pack. And made in China is the barcode number. And that's it. Let's go and check out the third item. See what's this one. This one's the Venture 40 liter for women, men. Navy color. And it also made in China. It's nice pouch. And then they got their own branding right here, deposited on the zipper pull tab. There's a little handle right here as well. It seems like it's a backpack. And you could fold it and put it away in this pouch. Wow, better know how to fold it back. Yeah, it is a packable backpack. This one looks almost like this one. The orange. Yeah. And then the ring over there. You can hook on something right there. So yeah, there's your pouch. You get folded. There's a zipper on the back. Ooh, seems like it's like a plastic bag, so it is waterproof seal in case you have wet stuff that's on here, like an ice pack. It doesn't seep through it. And this nylon pull tab. And again, you got the 6 of this 3M reflective. Except there's no bungee cord like this or elastic band. So yeah, they probably missed. And then 2 of this strap with the buckle with a quick release. And also I got this loop. That's a mesh netting net for your water bottles on both sides. And then you have the double zipper system right here. There's another pouch right here. Oh, so you could actually see through the pouch that I was talking about right there. Yeah, it's like a seal plastic bag. And then you have the venture pal right here. There's also another pocket right here, or the pouch. So yeah, this one you can store a lot of stuff in here. Pretty nice. So yeah, hopefully I know how to report it back. Well, there you go, guys. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.